What's going on, guys? I'm back with another video, and today I'm just going to be showing you how to create custom textures for the MQPM Texture Tool. It's actually pretty simple. You're only going to need two things. You're going to need the FText tool and an image editor that can export in the direct draw surface format, DDS. I'm actually going to be using two different image editors for this, because I like to edit stuff in paint.net, but I find that when you export to DDS it's very lossy, so I like to use GIMP for exporting, just because it gives better quality. So anyway, once you've done that, you're just going to want to open up an image or something in your image editor. So I'm going to be using Mushroom from Super Mario, and we need to resize it to a specific size. It has to be to a multiple of 2, so it can be 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, up to 512. You can go higher than 512, you can go 1024 or 2048, whatever, but for just the camo or whatever you're making, you only need to go up to 512, so that's what I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to resize my image to 512, and it's going to be 512 by 509. I'm going to leave it like that. That's fine. I'm going to select my secondary color, drop it down to 0 opacity, and then reselect my primary color. And I'm going to go to image, canvas size, set it to center, and change the height to 512 as well. Alright, so now we have a 512 by 512 image. I'm going to add another layer and go down here, and then I'm just going to pick this blue color and drop that there. And then I'm going to select the first layer and merge it down. And there we go. Now we have a single layer with our mushroom on it. So next I'm going to start up GIMP, and I'm just going to select everything and copy it, and then go into GIMP, create a new file, make it 512 by 512, okay, and I'm going to paste it in here. So now that's all done, I'm going to go to File, Export As, and I'm going to put it on my desktop, change this to DDS, and we're going to name it mushroom.dds, and hit export. For compression you want DXT5, and under mipmaps you want generate mipmaps. Everything else should be fine as is, so I'm going to hit OK, and we're done. We can close this, and we can also close this. So here's our DDS. Now we need to go to the FText tool. So I'm just going to open the location of mine. Alright, here it is, and I'm going to cut my image and paste it in here and drag it onto FText tool. There we go. And now we need to rename these all to a specific name. I've written a little batch script here that does it. Pretty simple. Rename everything .ftext to this .ftext, .1, so on, so on. I'll include a link to download that. Alright, so I'm just going to run my batch script, and there we go. It renames all of the ftext and ftexts files to the correct name. Now we need to open up Texture Tool. You're going to want to go into Assets, Image, and in Image you're going to want to take your original picture. So I should also export this as a PNG, so I'm going to go File, Save As, PNG, and there we go. We have a PNG image. So I'm going to take that, copy it, and paste it in here. So mushroom.png is now in the image folder. I'm going to go back to Assets, PFTXS, create a new folder, and you have to name it whatever the PNG image's name is. So mushroom in my case. and then you're going to want to copy all the ftex and ftexs files into this folder. So there we go, that's all we have to do. Now when I run the texture tool here, it will show up as an option down here, and there we go, and we can now apply it to an outfit. So I'll apply it to an outfit and we'll check it out in game. Alright, so now I'm in game, and let's just go change our outfit to the battle dress. And there you go. You can see that now our custom texture has been applied to the Megalodon outfit, and Quiet now has mushrooms on her. Anyway, that's it for this video. I will see you guys in another video.